Aluminium tracks and rails, similar to the two examples that we have here, are fitted onto the exterior of a caravan, motorhome or boat to cover the join where two panels meet. They are fitted onto the outside to cover the join. They are then screwed in place through the centre of the channel, and then you use either a screw cover strip or Herzim trim, insert it through the opening to then cover the screws. These channels are usually manufactured in the same way. They have an opening and they have a base. The opening is usually narrower than the base, so that once you've fitted the screw cover strip or Herzim trim into the channel, the opening, being narrower, stops it from falling out. Taking these two measurements is usually quite difficult because the end of the rail is sometimes on the end at the bottom of the van, or it's got an end cap which you can't remove. The easiest way to take the measurement, if you can get access to the end, is by using a vernier. So firstly, you want to measure the opening. And you can see in this example it is about 7.9 mil. Then if I zero the vernier and start again, if you can get to the end, you can insert the vernier into the bottom. And then you can see that the base measures a fraction over 12 mil. If you don't have access to the end, another way of taking these measurements is by using some thin strips of paper. So you can cut these strips at various widths. So for example, we've got one here at 12 mil and we've got one at 15 mil. If we insert the 15 mil wide piece of paper into the channel through the opening, which we easily have access to, we can see that it doesn't sit flush on the bottom. It's slightly curved, and if we push it down, it just wrinkles, etc., etc. So if we then cut a slightly narrower piece of paper, in this example 12 mil, usually recommend taking like 1 or 2 mil off the width until you get the perfect size. Insert it through the opening, like so, and then we can see that it sits completely flat on the bottom of the channel without any creasing. So we can then measure the width of this piece of paper, and we know that the width of the paper is the same width as the channel, so we can buy a replacement product to suit that width. Thank you for watching. I hope that was a useful demonstration of how to measure the aluminium track on your caravan, motorhome or boat. Once you have taken these measurements and you want to buy a replacement screw cover strip or Herzim trim, if you go to our website at sealsdirect.co.uk, we have an incredibly large range of these products in different widths from 10 mil up to 17 mil and in a large range of colours. All of these products are available for same day dispatch, and they can be purchased by the meter. So you can buy 1 meter, whether it's just to go around a small locker, or you can buy 30, 40, 50 meters if you need to replace all of the Herzim trim on your caravan or motorhome. Thank you.